Unlock effortless typing by seamlessly connecting your wireless keyboard to your PC or laptop in just a few simple steps. First, let's cover the most common method using a USB receiver. Unpack your wireless keyboard and locate the small USB receiver that usually comes bundled with it. Find an available USB port on your PC or laptop and gently plug the receiver in. Your computer should automatically detect the new hardware and begin installing the necessary drivers. You might see a notification indicating that a device is being set up. This usually takes just a few moments and requires no further action from your end. Now, turn on your wireless keyboard. Look for a small power switch, often located on the bottom or side of the keyboard. Flip it to the on position. You should see a small LED indicator light on the keyboard illuminate, confirming it's powered on and ready to connect. For Bluetooth-enabled keyboards, the process is slightly different. On your PC or laptop, open your settings and navigate to Bluetooth and other devices. Click on Add Bluetooth or other device to initiate the pairing process. Next, you'll need to put your wireless keyboard into pairing mode. This is usually done by pressing and holding a specific button on the keyboard, often labeled with a Bluetooth symbol or a pairing icon. For a few seconds, check your keyboard's manual. If you're unsure, the keyboard's Bluetooth indicator light will typically start blinking rapidly to show it's discoverable. Back on your computer, your wireless keyboard should appear in the list of available devices. Click on its name to select it. Your computer will then attempt to pair with the keyboard. Once successful, you'll see a confirmation message, and your keyboard will be ready to use. To troubleshoot, ensure the keyboard's batteries are fresh or that it's sufficiently charged. If using Bluetooth, double-check that Bluetooth is enabled on your computer and that the keyboard is still in pairing mode. Sometimes, simply restarting your computer can resolve connection issues. Congratulations, you've successfully connected your wireless keyboard, bringing convenience and freedom to your typing experience.